Not able to make your iPhone 17 Pro Max lock screen clock bigger or smaller after updating to iOS 26? Don't worry, there's a simple trick to fix it and get your clock looking the way you want again. So the first thing, you have to tap and hold on your lock screen to enter the edit mode. Now enter your lock screen passcode or Face ID, and then you will see this customize option. Just go for it, and when the edit menu pop up, now tap on the clock once. Now from the available styles, if you pick any clock style, the clock won't resize. So you have to select the first clock style shown at the top. Now go back to your lock screen and reopen the edit menu, and you will now see the option to adjust or resize the clock. But if you pick any clock style other than the first one, the clock won't resize. So you have to make sure to use the first clock style for full customization. And that's it. And now you can customize your lock screen clock easily again on iOS 26. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.